Welcome to Aryans Group, the fast emerging chain of the business schools. The group is growing in the leadership of young and dynamic entrepreneur Mr. Anshu Kataria, the alumnus of University Business School, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Aryans Group Chandigarh is running two management colleges in the name of Aryans Business School and Aryans School of Advanced Management. The group is coming up with three more B schools in the academic session of 2008 and 2009. These are the Aryans Business School for Women, Aryans School of Business, and Aryans School of Business Women. Aryans Business School is providing 2-year full-time MBA program, which is affiliated to Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, and approved by AICTE, MHRD, New Delhi. Aryans School of Advanced Management is providing 2-year full-time PGDM program, which is also approved by AICTE, MHRD, New Delhi. These group proposed to start 3 more B schools in the session 2008 and 2009, namely Aryans Business School for Women, Aryans School of Business, and Aryans School of Business Women. The group has already received the letter of intent for Aryans Business School for Women, which is the first women B school of the Chandigarh region. It has also already received the letter of intent for Aryans School of Business Women. The group is going to start another college in the name of Aryans Institute of Management Studies, which will provide undergraduate courses of BCA, BSc IT, BBA, and BSc Airlines Tourism and Hospitality Management. Professor S.P. Singh, mentor of Aryans Business School, is the former chairman of University Business School, UBS, and former dean of Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dr. K.K. Mangla, Director, Aryans School of Advanced Management, is the former chairman of University Business School and former dean of Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dr. S.V. Malhotra, Director of Aryans Business School, is retired professor from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Dr. Praveen Kataria, Deputy Director of Aryans Group, is gold medalist and PhD from University Business School, Punjab University, Chandigarh. The other core faculty members include Mrs. Jaspreet Kaur, Mrs. Poonam Sharma, Miss Retma Dulo, Miss Dolly Sitia, and Miss Anupriya. The campus is Wi-Fi with built-up area of 22,000 square feet. The classrooms are air-conditioned with ultra-modern computer-aided projection system. The library is fully equipped with national and international journals. It has state-of-art computer laboratory with round-of-clock computing and internet facilities. It has ultra-modern fully air-conditioned conference hall with LCD projector and visualizer for conducting seminar, PDPs, EDPs, and workshops. The admission process in MBA course is as per the Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. Students can contact for management quota seats. The admission in PGDM is based on performance in CAT, JAT, Math scores. The bank loan facility for students seeking admission in MBA as well as PGDM is also available. The students can avail 100% finance from the bank. Separate hostel facilities is available for boys and girls in Chandigarh, Rajpura and Banur. The institute also provides transport facility to students and staff, which is available from Chandigarh, Panchkula, Mohali, Ambala and Patiala. The Aryans Group is fully committed to the placement of its students at reputed national and international companies. A duly constituted placement cell comprising placement coordinators and the student representatives for internship and final placement activities exists. Aryans Group has already signed Memorandum of Understanding with the US-based IT giant known as Outline System Inc. Now, after these MOU, 20 management students of Aryans Business School and Aryans School of Advanced Management would get chance of placement in US or in company offices in India, including Chandigarh and Gurgaon. Apart from this, the placement team at Aryans is making tie-ups with various national as well as international placement agencies for the recruitment and placement of students at the best companies in this world. Now, how to contact Aryans Group? Our head office is at Sector 16A, second floor, house number 164, Chandigarh. Our campus address is Aryans Business School ABS, and for the Aryans School of Advanced Management, Aryans Institute of Management and Technology, Village Napra, between Banur and Rajpura. Chandigarh and Patiala Highway near Chandigarh. So log on to www.aryansbusinessschool.com. You can contact us as our mobile number, which is 98762 99888 and 991592288. Our email address is anshukataria@gmail.com and aryanscollege@gmail.com. Join Aryans Group because you are born to excel.